Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another detox video for you. Now, I don't know if you've seen or heard of the cinnamon detox. Well, if not, stay tuned. I have it for you, okay? And with this, you're going to be slimming down and losing weight really fast. These are wonderful tea ideas that you can incorporate along with the other wonderful detoxes that I've given you so far. Implement those each and every day and you will definitely see some weight loss, okay? So I'm going to introduce this one to you right now. Now, one good thing about this detox is that with these two main ingredients, it's going to speed up your metabolism really fast, causing you to lose that weight. It's going to give you more energy. It's also going to suppress your cravings, okay? So you're not going to have cravings when you have this. So let's go into this video where all you need is 3 main ingredients for this wonderful detox. All right, you guys, so this detox doesn't have anything to do with a blender or a juicer. All you need is your kettle on the stove to boil your water. Now, in your cup, you're going to add in 250 ml of boiling water. Okay, so you boil your water and you add it into your favorite cup. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And you don't drink this more than once a day, okay? Because you shouldn't consume too much cinnamon per day. So 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder is needed. And you do this on an empty stomach. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to mix your cinnamon powder in really good. All right. And then you're going to allow your drink to cool before adding in your honey. The reason for that is you do not want to destroy the enzymes into the honey. So you can, you can wait until it cools down. Essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aids in weight loss. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps you to lose visceral fat and support weight loss. Antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties of cinnamon makes it one of the healthiest spices of all times. All right, then lastly, once your tea is cooled down, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of your honey. If you do this every morning on an empty stomach, oh my goodness, you're going to see some wonderful results. Okay, so for this detox, all you need is some cinnamon and some honey and an 8-ounce cup of boiling water, actually. Okay, all right, you guys, so here we go with our detox. Tastes very good, very good. Very refreshing, very good, very delicious. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 time a day, that's it. And you're going to see wonderful results in your body. You're going to feel to go because this is going to flush you out. This is going to make you feel to go, all right? So just know this detox is for weight loss and you will see some wonderful results. You can drink this early in the morning. Yes, this could be a morning tea, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful quick video. Easy recipes for you guys to do in the morning, you guys. There's no excuse to have that weight on you. Summer's right around the corner, okay? So these are great recipes, remedies that's going to help you to get rid of all of that weight, flush out the fat cells, and slim you down. So don't sleep on these teas, okay? And if you like these videos, thumbs them up, you guys. Thumbs them up in that section down below. Hit that like button. And share these wonderful videos with your friends and families, okay? Those of you who are on the same journey, share them with your partner, all right? And if you want to see more videos, I got more for you. So stay tuned, all right? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Bye. Hey, fam! Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.